Dear viewers, today we are here to present you a food delivery app which will help you book orders being at the comfort of your home. So let's see what features does this app offer. First of all, this lists multiple restaurants, and each restaurant would have particular number of delivery boys that would serve to your orders. This code is basically posted on Codecanyon. Now let's see the feature of the app and how it looks. So as soon as you open this app, you would see a list of restaurants, and then they would be arranged by some filters. So this is how our app looks. As soon as you open it, you would see a list of restaurants, and you could filter it by certain categories, like the least amount of order of time it takes to deliver the order, as seen here. The 30 minutes come prior to 45 minutes and all. So other kind of filter is filter by rating, and then again you could categorize it by food as well. So the basic user profile looks like this, where a user could have options like searching restaurants by various categories, then searching it on map, whichever is nearest to you, and then according to ratings as well, and the type of food you like. Once you know that this is your go-to restaurant, you could add it into favorites as well, and then you could check out and track orders to constantly keep a check on when your food will arrive. Other thing you could do is you could share this with your friends as well, and then connect the developers. So let's see and explore its further features. So here, as you could see, a customer could rate the restaurant as well as view the ratings, and then you could provide a star rating for the restaurant and textually describe your experience with that. Now you could search the food by category as seen here, or you could search the restaurants by nearness of where. So you could select the radius, then the location as well. Suppose you are a delivery boy, you would see this interface and you could log in here with your credentials. You could see your profile as well as the orders you are supposed to be delivering here. And then whenever you complete an order, you could just mark it as complete and it would show a green check as you. For every order, you could manage and check its location as well as call the customer if you are unable to find the location. And then you would also have extra information about the orders of this consumer and what money you are supposed to take from them, the billing amount, and so on. So you could track all the order here, and other profile details could be changed from your profile settings as well, which would have basic options of changing your name, contact number, email, vehicle number, and type that you are delivering. Next kind of users of this app would be the admin panel to manage the restaurant. Like you could add a new restaurant or delete it. So this would be like this. So as you could see, you could add a new restaurant here, or you could add a new owner of the restaurant as well as delete some reviews that are abusive. Now, a separate admin panel for restaurant owner is provided as well. Every restaurant owner could change his image, his or her image, restaurant's image, and then he could manage the orders as well as the number of delivery boys he has kept to serve all the orders, and list the menus and everything. So, as you would have already known, the restaurants could be listed as well as rated, and then you could search any restaurant with nearby restaurant with the map as well and discover it using Gmap and explore it more about the type of cuisines or the meals it serves by clicking on it. So every restaurant page would look like this, where it would have some few images, a rating, address, phone number, timing it's supposed to be open and closed at, and then the food type it serves, as well as delivery time it usually takes, so average delivery time, and the type of delivery they offer, like free COD or they charge you for delivering the food. Other option is to track it on map as well. Further features of this app include the ordering stage. So where you could just check the menus of different restaurants and increase its quantity to be added in your cart value. So your cart will look something like this, where it would list all the items you have offered, and then the total would be shown as here. And once on checking out, your order will be placed. Once the admin accepts it, it gets transferred to the respected delivery boy, and then he would get the order tracked in his partner. So the delivery information is then updated by you and you finally place it. So once the order is placed, you could check its status as and when you require it. And this is a live delivery kind of system. So you would have a history of orders where you could visit anytime and could also track your monthly expenses spent. Also, these are the details of every order. If you want to buy this app and experience a hassle-free installation and customization process, you could contact us here at Messenger, Telegram, or email. Links as given in description below. And for checking additional details regarding licensing of the app, you could visit Codecanyon. Thank you.